Leos, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for April 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using some oracle decks that I have here. This is a love oracle deck which I will dive into. Leos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of March, stepping into April 2022, we have the Knight of Pentacles. This is a very grounding and stabilizing energy. So certainly at this time, you wanted the status quo maintained. Possibly, within the workplace there was scrutiny, but you knew how to wriggle yourself out of situations. Maybe your superior was also someone who was pressurizing you to do things as per her way, but then you knew how to tackle her. I think in this time also somebody was also provoking you to react. Obstacles to overcome this month are the challenges that April is going to pose for Leos is the Sun card. This is your energy, so certainly you need to be mindful of how you proceed at work or within the relationship front. Maybe there'll be a heated exchange with colleagues or within your family as well. Sometimes Leo, this month you could feel that you're sacrificing yourself, but then your loved ones feel that you're not responsible enough. Like I said, you could feel annoyed over certain situations. Maybe clients aren't paying up, so you're going to overreact or you're going to get into heated arguments with them. But then later on, you may realize that it was pointless. The focus is also on the home front. Incidentally, the next card in this reading or the influences for this month, we have the Hangman here. This is another major arcana card. This card is asking you to look closely at your health. The pressure of work could also tell on your health this month, so you need to de-stress at times. You should take a breather. Sometimes, Leos, you may also feel that you're the one who is being made the scapegoat or that you're the one who is hanging by the thread. Largely this month you also have to prioritize. Maybe your schedule could go for a toss, and that is why you have to focus on tasks at hand. I think you should use your brains and make the most of the situation that you find yourself in. Maybe the boss could also want to increase the workload. Incidentally, in case you're hankering after a higher post at work, then you should tone it down a bit. Your expectations may not be met. Like I said, you may feel as though you're sacrificing yourself this month. The first 10 days of April, we have the Six of Swords here. This card is asking you to be prepared because this is a card which is talking about movement. You have to sail with the changes, so to speak. At times, you believe that nothing will come about of your plans or that there are delays, but in the end, everything will fall in place. So you need to have a very flexible approach. I think you should complete what you set out to do. Technical work or paperwork is also going to increase. Maybe many of you are also dealing with officials at this time. Basically, you should capitalize. Maybe your responsibilities this month could also increase because a loved one is unwell, so you have to be the caregiver, and this could be frustrating or it could affect you internally or mentally. Leos, you should realize that this time will also pass. Another thing, Leos, I think you'll be quite temperamental, so you should weigh your words very carefully. Maybe you're enjoying good food, and this food is also going to affect your digestive system this month. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th April, we have the Page of Wands here. I think you want clarity with respect to how you should proceed, whether at work or in personal relationships. Maybe communication is also going to increase. I think you're getting the chance to rectify or atone for your past mistakes. Definitely this is the period when you're going to be quite active, you're going to be quite creative because it's the Wands energy, so you should make the most of it. I think you should be brave and courageous, and you should strike while the iron is still hot. Communication is also going to increase, and communication is going to be very beneficial for you. The hard work is also something which makes us very impatient, it makes us restless, but then you will be somebody who will accomplish a lot. In case you're the leader of the pack, I think Leos, you should be more accommodative. Maybe your colleagues or your juniors feel that you're very high-handed. Perhaps it would be best to listen to their point of view as well. Leos, I do believe that though you will be socializing or you will be meeting up with acquaintances, there could be times when you'll be quite withdrawn. You find solace or comfort in staying all by yourself. The last 10 days of April is the Page of Swords, another page in your reading. This is also a very active card which is propelling you to move forward and onward. Maybe you're also contemplating on your future. I think some of you want to travel out of town for higher education or even for better job prospects, but then family members may not be too kindly disposed towards your ideas, but you're going to be someone who is very pushy. You want to forge ahead because you know these are the opportunities which could propel you to greater heights. Basically, you're someone who wants to take matters headlong. I think Leo pride is also at stake here, though there'll be arguments with loved ones or with colleagues, but then you know what you want to do. In case you're already working, I think Leos, you should make allowances for clients rather than let the opportunities fizzle away. Again, bookkeeping work or accountancy work is also going to keep you preoccupied this month. We also have this card Rider from Lenormand, which again talks about messages or quick action. You're somebody who's quite restless, like I said. This upsurge of energy will help you move onward. But then the Rider card in Lenormand also asks us to look closely. Maybe we lack focus because we overlook certain things. Nevertheless, I think communication is going to be increasing this month. Incidentally, the universe is definitely reassuring you that communication is there because this card is talking about the same. This is a recurring message here, so definitely you should pay attention. Your throat chakra is going to be quite active. Maybe there'll be meetings lined up or you will be negotiating with others. So this means that you'll be constantly talking over the phone, or you could be having discussions with loved ones. With respect to your love life, I have this card Promiscuous from the Love Oracle deck. This means that you have a choice in love here, or maybe your person is someone who is like a player who's quite wishy-washy or fickle when it comes to matters of the heart. You did pick up the Rider card here, so in case of a romantic connection, this person could be a player, so you should be careful of that, Leos. As a singleton, I think, Leos, you have options when it comes to matters of the heart. Maybe these admirers also feel that you're not communicating well enough, or that you're just giving them high hopes about the future. On the other hand, those of you who fancy someone, I think you want to reach out to this person. Maybe you're coming across as someone who is quite persuasive. Perhaps this card communication is propelling you to communicate with this person. There's also a sense of calm, because once we communicate or once we do what our soul desires, then we can feel relaxed. We will feel that we've done what we needed to do. I think, Leos, this month you could also be dealing with an ex-flame, but you don't have anything to do with this person. Maybe you have moved on from this connection. Romancing, Leos, I think you'll be quite flirtatious. There's going to be passion in your relationship as well. But at times your person could also feel that you're detached. Maybe because of the Hangman, you're busy and preoccupied on account of work, so you need time alone. You want to give the relationship time and space, that is. In case, Leos, you're in an extramarital relationship or in a secret romance which is frowned upon, then you should be careful. Because we have this card Promiscuous, so certainly your love life could be exposed or your extramarital relationship could be busted this month. Definitely there's a message here, Leos, so you should be paying attention. Other than that, in case yours an unhappy connection, I think you should be careful because your person or your spouse could link you to other members of the opposite sex. All in all, Leos, this month I think you need to guard against ill health. You're somebody who is quite forceful when it comes to your prospects because you believe that this is going to pave the way for a better future for you. I hope, Leos, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.